hidden gem. So crazy. You just never know. Tres Palmas Beach. Steps Beach. We are at Domes Beach. No birthday party for me. His food. Goodbye to the view. Arroz, bistec. The lighthouse. Morning. Wow, waking up to this, I would not complain. Hey you, today we are in the lovely town of Rincón. Woke up here in Rincón, which is on the west side of Puerto Rico. And I'm gonna be showing you a few spots here. But first we need to eat. And so yeah, let's go. OMG, look at all this. Oh my God. Quesito. Wow, pastelillos. We have our breakfast sandwich here. This is tuna and I have turkey. And so, buen provecho. It's good. How's your sandwich? Good?
Very good.
We bought quesito in that bakery where we ate. Tastes very good. And it's huge. A little expensive, but it's big at least. We're at the first spot and I think you go through here. It's like sectioned off. And this street was destroyed. I don't know if it was for Hurricane Fiona. Look at this. And I could hear the water from here. Wow, this looks super dangerous. Wow. This is what I want to show you. It's called El Último Brinco, which is the last jump. Because if you jump from here, you will probably die, okay? It would be your last one, so. But we are trying to get down there, which I don't know exactly where is the path, but we're gonna see if we find it. We're walking to see if we find the path. But look at these streets. There's no sidewalk. Walked that way. We didn't find a way to get in here. ¿Ustedes saben si hay un caminito para ir allá abajo? Just had to take one more curve and it's right here, the path. So we stopped here where you see this blue thing here. This is it. Now, I don't know if we can go through because I did see a lot of mud. This is what the path looks like. But if it's raining, please do not come here. Never go to like the rivers or like hidden things like this because it can get scary, okay? So, warning you. This is where it gets really, really muddy. Whoa. Wow. Okay, I need to concentrate on this. See, this is where we were standing over there. Finally made it down here. Little pool right here. So cute. This is truly a hidden gem. Instead of going to like the lighthouse in Rincón, which is man-made, I mean, it has beautiful sceneries and we will probably go there, but look at this. And it feels so amazing. And these are the types of places you should be looking for in Puerto Rico. I just found somebody here that I'm so shocked to have found. What a coincidence. Hi.
Good to see you.
Good. Hi. This is LifeTransPlanet. Did I say that right?
Cassie, yep.
Cassie, come over here to the shade.
You said you were coming to Rincón, but I didn't realize it was right now. So
Yeah.
Cool. This is Anna.
Hola.
Hi.
Hi.
funny because I messaged you on Instagram and I was like, hey, yeah. And you're like, maybe we'll see each other. Like, yeah, but we didn't plan. So crazy.
You just never know. So that was perfect.
Wasn't that crazy that I found Cassie here? And it's so funny because maybe we'll see each other, she said. We didn't plan it. That hill got me. Woo. It's like a funeral with music. We are now in Tres Palmas Beach. There is a paseo, it says here, it's like a path. Comunitario Tres Palmas. Are we going through the paseo? Let's go. A bunch of cows by the beach. And look at over here. Donkeys, I think. Burros. Mi burrito sabanero. And the beach is right there. He wants to do ee-ah, ee-ah. He was doing some sound like that. I feel so silly. We're continuing through here just to check it out, but look at this house over there. Wow. This path is great for, you know, those nature lovers that like to walk by the beach or the greenery, see some cows, donkeys, and I believe they do horseback riding somewhere around here as well. I saw them this morning. So yeah, it's really nice here. The ocean is rough. I believe this is where they do the surfing competitions. There's a surfer. This is so good. This water's just like perfect temperature, not too hot, not too cold. But it's very rocky here. Oh, I saw something over there. I think it was a sea turtle. It went up and then it went down. Oh, I lost it. Wow. Can I say wow? Can I get a, oh wow. Look at that house over there. Gazebo. Another house. Another house. Beach. Our stuff here. We walked back towards the parking and now we're going through here. Reserva Marina Tres Palmas. The popular Steps Beach. Look at the steps right there. I have never been to this beach, even though I grew up here and I have always heard of Steps Beach. It's actually Tres Palmas. So it's right there, but I'll go there in a few. There's people there, but this is it. And is burning. Literally have to walk over here. Wow, I kind of burned my toes and I had the sandals on. I need to dunk my toes in the water. Oh, I really burnt them. Wow. It's no joke, this sand. You gotta be careful. It's very slippery. Here it is. The famous steps. Now we are at Domes Beach, which is a very popular beach here in Rincón. You can see the dome right behind me. This is very popular for surfers, so let's check it out. It's the lighthouse right there. There's a swing there, and you will always find some surfers here. And there's actually a flag right over there. Yeah, this is Domes Beach. you are?
I am the lifeguard today. I'm watching everybody.
He's watching everybody. So right next to Domes Beach, which is right over there, they actually fixed this up here. They made this little area to park and a little bridge to head to the beach. This is Playa Maria. So they fixed this up, restoration process they went through. I think there's another entrance to Maria Beach left from here. They talk about the whale here because you could go whale watching. You can park, head through here. We're not gonna do it now because it looks like it's gonna rain. This is another access point for Playa Maria, right there. You go down through here. And there's a little restaurant here. Calypso. Looks nice, tropical. Because look at this rain. I don't think we're gonna have a nice sunset tonight. No birthday party for me. Oh man. There's thunder. Wow. What are we doing for my birthday? With this rain, not much. There goes Sergio. Well, all the noise, chain noise. Sounds like some dominatrix thing going on over there with chains. I think we're gonna shower and maybe go to dinner. I guess that would be it. Fiestas Patronales are going on. They start today, August 31. August 31, my favorite fecha. Yeah, they start today. I'm laughing because I said La Fiesta I don't even know how I said that. Patronales. All the birds. Oh my God. All those dots are birds. Actually, there's less now. Over there was a lot. Right now we're heading to dinner. A few people actually recommended this place, so we're gonna go check it out. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wow, you can see Desert Chill from here. Calamari salad for Sergio. God.
Here we go.
Here we go. That's your saying, here we go. What happened?
La ensalada es bien interesante, los sabores son bien intensos en la boca, pica pero es dulce, pero te confunde porque sientes lo asiático, la ensalada está llena de sabor, mucha textura, interesante.
It's spicy. I could barely see it. Drinking some fruit punch. Virgin. Cheers. Look at this. Sergio ordered lobster with shrimp. He has some asparagus, papas salteadas, and I got filete de pescado. It has asparagus, and
It's
wow.
Mahi
Mahi mahi?
Yes.
Oh, I don't even know what I ordered. Okay. So yeah, this is our dinner. Wow. Fancy. Understand how good this food is. Mine, the mahi mahi, is really good, but it doesn't have that much taste. But the fusion of all of this, the plantains that are sweet and this crunchy stuff here and the asparagus, just everything just amazing. Even these potatoes that are simple are so good, and his food is like he's in love.
Very, very tasty, very fresh, very interesting, tropical.
Chocolate chip cheesecake and flan de queso. That flan de queso is huge. That's not normal size. Here we have the receipt. It is 121. We had 2 desserts, 2 drinks, non-alcoholic, and the 2 main dishes, plus the appetizer. I mean, not bad. We just stopped here at the lighthouse, and that doesn't turn on anymore. Boo. But anyway, today is some kind of special moon. I don't know, super moon or what kind of moon, but wow, it looks enormous. We're passing by the Plaza in Rincón. They have every Thursday some artesanía display here. I hear music too. Party bus. We're at the Fiestas Patronales of Rincón. You can hear people screaming. They got machinas. Who remember these? Wow. Let's go in through here. Good morning from Rincón, Puerto Rico. We are at our Airbnb here. We woke up, we need to go eat, and I want to take you to the lighthouse, which is El Faro de Rincón, which is pretty popular. Everyone goes there, and I figured we should go too. So yeah, our stay here was great. We loved the place. It was nice. We loved the ocean view, the balcony. Everything is like white, aesthetically pleasing. And yeah, everything was nice. I mean, this was the best part right here. Hi, Sergio. So yeah, we loved our stay here, and yeah, so let's go eat and probably go to the lighthouse, and then we head home to the metro area. Say goodbye to the view, to the Airbnb. We gathered all our stuff and we are leaving. This is the way we are leaving the Airbnb. Nice and tidy. I always say it because I manage one. Leave it, you know, nice and neat. And you see, everything is like where it should be. So let's go. Here in Rincón, it's an acai place, and they also have ice cream. And I remember I had this acai here and it was good, so I'm gonna eat an acai bowl. They have a drive-thru right there. Yum! Sergio wants to eat like rice and beans or something, so I need something light. So I'm eating this in the car and it doesn't taste as great as I remember, but it tastes good. We stopped here at the supermarket Econo, and Sergio got some arroz, bistec, and I don't know, ¿qué es eso? Calamari? No. Onion rings?
Sí.
And habichuelas?
Están bien bonitas. Traditional.
Wow.
Very, very Creole.
We are here in El Faro, which is the lighthouse of Rincón, so let's go in. Let's make a left here. Wow, this brings me so many memories. I used to come here a lot. Let's take through here. Wow, the fences are like broken over there. So I believe in the month of March, you can come here to see if you can do some whale watching from here. I have seen whales here when I was younger. And you can also see the surfers way over there. They're hard to see with all this going on. Let's go towards the right now. We have here this that you can pay if it works. Might not work to do some whale watching. Wow. Interesting. Have bathrooms here, and then they have some food and drinks here. So this is nice. Interesting. Joda y no joda. What's up with the swings? I feel like every tourist spot has a swing. They have more machines. And you can see Dome's Beach, where we were yesterday actually. You can see the dome and the surfers. And that is the lighthouse of Rincón. We are up here in this hill. This is where you come and see the sunsets. The most beautiful sunsets. You can see the dome there. You can see the lighthouse somewhere over here. And it's right in front of this restaurant here. Everybody knows about this. You come here to watch the sunsets, and they used to have wooden chairs here, but they don't have them anymore. They have these picnic tables now. But yeah, just wanted to show you this spot real quick. Look at this. Is that a helicopter?
It's a little bit cold. See, Anna.
We are heading to dinner. I always want to say dinner. This is chicken. No, it's not chicken. Did I say chicken? ¿Quién jode mucho, Sergio?
Anna.
There's the truth.